Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a super important topic: how to transfer XRP from Uphold to a cold wallet in 2025. If you're holding XRP, you know security is key, especially with the crypto market evolving rapidly. Moving your assets to a cold wallet keeps them safe from online hacks, so let's get started. First things first, make sure you have everything ready. You'll need an Uphold account with XRP in it, and a cold wallet like a Ledger or Trezor already set up and activated. If you haven't done that yet, pause this video and handle it now, it's crucial for security. Step 1. Log into your Uphold account using your secure credentials. Once you're in, navigate to your XRP holdings. Look for the Assets or Portfolio section and select XRP. Step 2. Find the Withdraw or Send option. It might be labeled as Withdraw or Send to External Wallet. Click on that, and you'll be prompted to enter a destination address. Step 3. On your cold wallet device, generate a new XRP receiving address. Double check that it's correct. Crypto addresses are case sensitive and long, so copy it accurately to avoid any mishaps. Step 4. Paste the address into the Uphold withdrawal form. Enter the amount of XRP you want to transfer, but remember to leave a little extra for network fees if applicable. Review all the details carefully. Step 5. Confirm the transaction. Uphold might require two-factor authentication here, so have that ready. Once confirmed, the transfer will process on the XRP ledger, which usually takes a few minutes. Finally, Step 6. Verify the transfer on your cold wallet and check the transaction on a blockchain explorer like XRP Scan. If everything looks good, you're all set. There you have it. Transferring XRP from Uphold to a cold wallet is straightforward but requires attention to detail. Always prioritize security in 2025's crypto world. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more guides. Drop your questions in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and stay safe out there.